Hello, this is brief introduction to Kotlin. In this part 19 we will talk about access modifiers. Access modifiers are used for managing memory more efficiently to avoid multiple non-used initialization of objects. And here we see an example of late init access modifier which used for declaring a variable type of string, and late init modifier always used with non-nullable and non-primitive data types without getter and setter methods, and always the variable must be mutable, and therefore we are using var. And lazy modifier always used in cases when data type is non-nullable and variable is non-mutable, and therefore use vol. The meaning of lazy is that object will be initialized only once and only until it has been used in the application. So now I will show you how to declare a late init variable. I can declare it here. Let's call it late late string, type of string. So if we will try to print this string, now compiler will show error because this string is not initialized. And if we initialize it, then obviously it works. However, if we do not initialize this variable, during coding it's not complaining about that variable is not initialized. Now we can actually check if the string initialized. We can check the object is initialized. We are using function is initialized, property function initialized, and then we can actually print the content of the string, and otherwise we can inform user that is not initialized. So if we run now, because we didn't initialize it, so it prints that late string is not initialized. But if we remove this comment here, then we will initialize, we get the content of the string. So this is late init initialize modifier, and now I will show you. We can remove this. I will show you lazy modifier. So we have a non-mutable variable. Again, let's call it lazy string, type of string, by lazy and here is very important thing is that we put this print here, which will show us, because it will be executed when the object is initialized. So we can right once initialized. And then we will print content of the string. Okay, when we are using this instance of object string, how we call it, or just this variables lazy string, these code inside of curly brackets are executed once, it's initialized, and then here this string is assigned to that lazy string once. Now let's copy paste the print, so it's second time, let's say third time, fourth time, whatever, and we run. As you see, only once executed this print on, because here in the first it's initializing it, and the object is initialized, and then it uses from the cache memory the content of that object without using the main memory, and therefore it's helping to save memory, so by that managing more efficiently system memory of the computer. So thank you for watching this video. So in the next video we will more talk about access modifiers. Thank you for watching. Bye.